Hey friends, today we're going to draw a hedgehog.
Yeah, one dressed up for Easter. We hope you're going to follow along. You ready to start?
Yes.
Before we start drawing, I want to give you a quick preview of how our hedgehogs turned out. They look really cool, and I hope you're excited to follow along with us. We're using markers to draw in color with. We're also drawing on marker paper, but you can use whatever you have, like colored pencils.
Or even crayons.
Yeah, crayons would work great. Let's start by drawing our little hedgehog's face. We're going to draw it right here in the middle of our paper, and let's start by drawing an oval for the nose. And then also, let's color that in. Okay, now let's draw the mouth. I'm going to draw a letter U coming out to the left and then also out to the right. And then we can draw the mouth open. I'm going to draw a letter U underneath. Now let's draw the tongue. We can draw a little curve inside. And then let's also color in the top shape or the back of the mouth. Next, let's draw the eyes. And that part we sped up. So what can our friends do?
Pause the video.
Yeah, if you need more time. We're going to draw two upside down letter U's because our hedgehog is super happy.
Yes.
I'm also going to go over these just one more time to make them a little thicker.
I'll do the same.
Okay. Let's start right here on the side of his eyes, and we're going to draw an upside down U. So I'm going to start over here with a little bit of space, and we're going to draw the upside down U coming all the way over to the other side and leave some space over here too.
Okay.
Yeah, there you go. Then we'll start on this side and we'll draw the cheek coming in, and we're going to stop here. We're not going to go all the way to the other side. And then we can come over here and draw that same cheek and then leave a little gap right here. Yeah, that looks awesome. Okay, now let's draw our little hedgehog's hair or spikes. First, we're going to draw the letter V right here below the top of the hood. And then we can draw a little zigzag down, and then we're going to connect out to the left. And then let's do the same thing over here, little zigzag down, and then connect out to the right. Then let's draw a little more of our hedgehog's fur or spikes, hair, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to draw a curve coming down to the left, and then the same thing on the right. So we get down close to the cheeks, and then we get closer to the outside so it comes to a point. Yeah, there we go. Okay, now let's draw our little hoodie for our hedgehog. We're going to draw a curve that matches the top of his head or her head. So we draw a little curve, and then we're going to draw the ears, and we're going to come up, around, and then down, and I'm going to stop about here so that this distance looks about the same as this distance. And then we can do the same thing over here on this side. We're going to draw upside down U and try to make it match the other side. Yeah. Oh, and we can also draw the inside. Let's draw a little line that matches. And then we're going to draw a smaller upside down U inside. Now let's finish the little hood for our hedgehog by drawing the side of it coming down. And I got a little closer down here at the bottom, and then matching on the right side. Now let's draw our little hedgehog's body. First, draw two really short lines down. And then we're going to draw a sideways letter U for the first arm. And then we're going to draw a matching sideways letter U for the other arm coming in. And see how I connected that short little line at the top. Yeah, and then we could also draw the sleeve to our hedgehog's arms.
My arms are so short.
I like it. I'm going to draw another line to match on both sides. And then let's come down here and we can also draw a foot for a hedgehog. I'm going to draw an oval, but it's also tipped diagonal. And then let's do that same matching foot on the other side, but tip the other direction. And then let's connect right here. We're going to imagine this line from the neck going behind the arm and connecting to the leg, and then, or the foot, and then the same thing over here. And then let's also connect down here at the bottom. Oh, let's do little toe lines for our hedgehog's foot. And we can also do little finger lines for the hand on both sides. Now let's draw the outside of our little hedgehog's body. I'm gonna bring this in just a little further on so that matches like yours. And then we're gonna draw the body coming down and then curving into the foot. Well, I like how short and round my little hedgehog is. It looks like a baby.
Yeah, it looks good.
Then we're gonna draw the other side coming in and connecting.
Mine's also pretty.
Yeah. Let's make it look more like a hedgehog and give it its little spikes on the outside of its hoodie. I'm going to draw them coming around and then connecting in, and then we'll do the same thing on this side to match. Zigzag down, and then as we get to the bottom, we'll draw connecting in. And we did it! We finished drawing our Easter hedgehog, and it turned out awesome, except we still need to
Color him.
Yes, this part will fast forward, but at the end, you can pause the video to match our same coloring. You ready to speed things up?
Yes. Give me 5, Dad. You did a great job in your drawing.
Thanks, you did too. And I love how it looks all colored in. It looks so much better.
Yes.
And I hope our friends will take time to color their drawings. You can pause the video to match our same coloring.
Or you could color it differently.
Yeah, you could also add a background, maybe some Easter eggs.
Yeah, and a bunny.
Oh yeah, you could put that Easter bunny in the background.
Yeah. We hope you had a lot of fun drawing an Easter hedgehog.
We do. We hope you had a lot of fun, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.